Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler turn signal. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement bulb. Make sure your Jeep is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, identify the turn signal housing on your vehicle, which is typically found on the front fender or rear taillight assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Next, you'll need to access the bulb. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the 2 or 3 retaining screws that hold the light assembly in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire housing straight away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it, as there might be clips. Then, twist the bulb socket 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. This exposes the old bulb for removal. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It might be a little snug, but it should come out without much force. Take your new turn signal bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Before putting everything back together, turn on your Jeep's hazard lights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This quick check saves you from having to redo steps. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully push the light housing back into its position, ensuring any clips align, and then reinsert and tighten the retaining screws. Double-check that all your turn signals, including the new one, and your hazard lights are working perfectly. This ensures you're safe on the road. Also, if you're looking to keep your Jeep smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.